Hey guys, Mason here again, Open Connection TELUS, Austin and Marmont. Here to talk about some cool features on the new Apple Watch Series 5. Now, what I really like about it, it's got the always-on Retina display, very nice. But what I really want to talk about is the fall detection system. Now, anybody who's traveling, going out on hikes, bike riding, mountain biking, anything like that, some of you guys like to do it alone. Now, this is a perfect way to stay safe. You do take a tumble, you might have heard about that story in the US. The guy took a fall, his Apple Watch sent emergency contact a heads up, also emergency services a heads up. They were able to reach him, get him in a hospital, stitch him up. Nice little cut on his head, but could have been a lot worse if they didn't get to him. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna get into a bit of the pricing here. So the Apple Watch right now is gonna be $40 a month. It's gonna include both the financing for the watch and the cellular data. Awesome price, I don't think you really can beat it. But we do carry another product, it's called Living Well. It's actually worn around the neck instead of the wrist. Not everybody likes the Apple Watch, so this is a nice alternative. The service is $55 a month, and what it is, it's another fall detection system. So perfectly set up in a way to be discreet, useful, and protect your loved ones. Now, some people do have disabilities, some of our parents are getting old. What a nice service that we can really look out for them. We do come in and we're going to set it up for you as well and show you how to use it, so that really gives you some peace of mind. I think it's really going to be a nice alternative to the Apple Watch. And if you have any questions, please reach out to the store. My phone number is 314-9226. And again, we're in Coquitlam, that's Austin and Marmont, Open Connection TELUS. Mason, I'm your guy.